to speed up laundry times without sacrificing quality. There's a lot that goes into that, and it starts with the facility making investments in the correct amount of linen, so the par of linen per se. So how many sets you have, right? Do you have one on the, let's say it's a hotel, one on the beds, one in the closet, and one in the laundry being processed, because that way you're not constantly having to run upstairs, grab laundry, run it downstairs, wash, and try to take it back up, because that really bottles neck and it creates a lot of overtime. So having a facility properly invest in their inventory of linens makes a huge difference. Making sure that when you get it to the laundry room that you properly sort it and get it ready and prepped to go into the laundry equipment. And once it gets to the laundry equipment, this is where we really impact it, is the machines properly sized for the loads that we're getting there, right? So we want to make sure that if you're telling us you want to get it done in an 8-hour day and 5 or 6 days a week, that you have the equipment with the ability to do that. And so our sales experts can help you properly size that equipment, but also make sure we're getting you the most energy efficient, high G-force extracts. We want to make sure we can get the most moisture out of the 400G extracts. We're really getting the water out of there, so when it goes to the dryers, you're not waiting an hour. You can get it done in 15, 20, 30 minutes and get that laundry turning. So having be able to properly program it, be able to get it spun out, get it dried, get it processed, and try to get 1.5 turns an hour through that equipment will really keep you very efficient. And so when we go in and do a survey at a property, those things jump out at us really quick, because we've been in literally hundreds, if not thousands, of laundries, and we've seen some operate very efficiently, and we've seen some that maybe they have the old style dryer that has dual timers, and they'll just set it for 45 minutes, and whether it's dry or not, they don't care. That's what they're going to dry it for, and it just wastes time and it wastes gas and it burns up your linen. So being able to properly select your equipment, make sure it's properly sized, and make sure that we can help with make sure it's properly managed as well.